Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Susanna and welcome back to today's video. So guys, in today's video I'm actually going to be sharing with you how to use baby carrier. Hold on. I'm actually going to be sharing with you how to use a baby carrier. So like I said on my previous video, I said I will show you how to use a baby carrier or teaching a baby how to sit in a traditional way. Well, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos, and I really do appreciate, yeah. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. Please continue watching my videos. I have a lot of videos. Share the videos to your friends. Tell your friends also to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's really good to subscribe. I really appreciate. Also share the videos. Also like, mostly liking. At least when you click on the video, please like and share and comment something about the video. Don't just watch and leave it that way. Just comment something and share the video to your friends. Okay, well, today's video I have baby carrier. You know this, right? This is a baby carrier, yeah, for carrying baby. Actually this one I bought it even before I gave birth. Okay, so I bought it at Gikomba. Thou, this is thou, 1K, 1,000 Kenyan shillings. I bought it at Gikomba. So this is how it looks like. So when you're buying, of course you're going to buy it when it is folded. Everything you'll get when it is folded. Okay, yeah. So we are going to share how to use it and how to carry a baby on it. And yeah, first let me show you the inside part of it, how it is. So from outside you can see it is blue. That's from outside. This side is for the bum of the baby. This side is for the head. Okay, so that's how it looks, yeah, from outside. So from inside it is like this. From inside it's like this, yeah. This one is for the baby's head support, to help the head of the baby be in a proper way when he or she is sleeping, so that he can't be bouncing his head while you're walking, carrying him. Okay, so this one is to help to support his head, be comfortable. Okay, and this seat here is to support the baby's bum to be comfortable, to make him comfortable. As you see, they have created a seat inside. You see this, and there's another one down, and also there's this side. Okay, so that when you put him to sit, he can be comfortable. He can't be, his bum can't be out, or her bum can't be out. You can just be comfortable inside it, and you can walk long distance anywhere you want to go, yeah. So let me show you how to put a baby inside and go with carry the baby inside. So as for now, the boy is sleeping, and I'm going to show you example of a cartoon baby here, Kadoli. So like I've showed you this side. Like I've showed you this side is where you're going to put the baby. But then some people prefer to put the baby before they tie it on their waist. But let me show you. First, if you want to put the baby when you are alone, you have to tie this. You're going to tie this on your waist. I don't know whether you're going to see it. You're going to tie this first on your waist. Let me show you how to. So we have tied that one of the waist. Now we are remaining with these ones, and putting the baby. So now we are going to put the baby, and I will show you how to put the baby. So you're going to put the baby this way, like this way. The baby's legs have to put it to come out. Then the baby has to sit on his baba. You see what I was telling you? The baby should sit that way and his legs should be out. Yeah, like that. And then you're going to put this on your shoulders. Yeah, you're going to put this on your shoulders. This on your shoulder, and you make sure you tie it. Yeah, make sure you tie it. So this one, you're going to tie it this side, and then you are good to go. This side also, you're going to tie it that way, and you are good to go. So you've carried your baby. All right, let me show you how I have put the nini. So that is how you're going to walk with the baby inside the baby carrier. And then with these small holders you're seeing behind dangling, you just tie them, and it's for the support of anything. In case you fall down, the baby will not fall down. Okay, it's just to support you. Okay, support you at the baby. In case you knock any stone on the way and then you fall down, the baby will not fall down. Okay, and the baby will not be hurt. All right, so when you tie that, you're comfortable to walk with your baby. And then up here, you see how the baby is comfortable. You see, very comfortable. You see, the baby is comfortable, and you can walk a long distance. Anywhere you want to go, you can go with the baby. You can carry the baby with this one. Remember, let me tell you something. This carrier is being advised, all the mothers are being advised to carry the babies in this carrier when the baby is 6 months. When the baby is 6 months, not when the baby is still small, because this carrier opens the baby's legs. You can see that it opens the baby's legs so large, because when the baby is still small, you know, when the legs can just go any side, can balance any side you want to take. It either can remain open like this, or you can remain small like that, as long as you don't exercise your baby. So mothers are advised to carry the babies when the babies are 6 months. Then that's when you're going to carry the baby in this carrier. All right, I was told this when I was in the hospital one time when I went for the second clinic for my baby, and that's when the doctor told me that I should stop carrying the baby in the carrier when the baby is still small. I should wait when the baby to reach 6 months, and then that's when I'm going to carry the baby. So I haven't used this baby carrier since then, and I think I'll start using it soon, because the baby is growing. So yeah, that is how to use a carrier. So you can go with it anywhere, or even either, let me show you another way of using a carrier. You can even remove it this way, you know, this way. Even if you don't remove it this way, just untie this one of the back. You see, this one at of the waist, and then turn the baby on your back. You see, turn the baby on your back this way. Very, very easy. Turn the baby on your back, and then you see, it's a very easiest way to carry the baby. Turn the baby on your back that way, and then you are good to go. All right, as long as you make sure you tie everything. Make sure the carrier is comfortable for you. Yeah, like that. You are good to go. That is if you don't know how to carry the baby in a traditional way, because this is not a traditional way. Long time ago we had traditional baby carriers, those ones which are made of hides, skin hides, okay, skin hides, of which in my tribe it's called anapet, whereby they can put the baby, they can make um they can actually make the skin hides for goats, or most especially for goats, to make it properly, and it turns into a baby carrier. That's what we used to use in our village for carrying babies. No, leave alone with these .com baby carriers which have come these days, but long time ago we used to have skin hides, okay, and that is what people used to used to use for carrying their babies, okay. So actually that is all for today. Like you have seen, I have explained to you how to use a baby carrier. Very easy to remove a baby in it, and very easy to put the baby in it, and yeah. So if you cannot use a traditional kanga to carry the baby on your back, then you're flexible to use this one, because the baby carrier also is okay. You can use it very different types, in different types. You can use it different ways. You can use it. There are very different types of baby carriers. So that's what I wanted to share with you in today's video. It's just a matter of you mastering this and locking this very well, perfectly lock this. Make sure it is not baggy when you're carrying the baby. Make sure it is fitting you and the baby is comfortable in it, so you can go anywhere. So remember, you carry the baby only in this when the baby is 6 months, not small baby, because you'll spoil the baby's legs, okay. So that's all for today's video, guys. In case you are new to my YouTube channel, please smash that red subscribe button, like, comment, share, and then most especially like, and turn on that post notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload any video to my YouTube channel. You will be the first person to be notified, okay, that I have uploaded a video. Bye, have a good day.